All right, so let's look at that as a picture, and then we'll put it all together again with the snowman. So 1/4 of a brown rod and 1/4 of a brown rod is equal to half a brown rod. Oh wait, did I go the right way? Okay, there we go. 1/2 of a brown rod and 1/4 of a brown rod equals blank. Okay, so 1/2 of a brown rod and 1/4 of a brown rod equals blank brown rods. Now, what they did right here, this is not a handy dandy mustache, but what they did is they took half and split it into 2/4. So let me show you once again what we did before and how it's the same thing. All right, so here's 1/2 plus 1/4. All right, if we're labeling it, here's the 1/2 plus 1/4. All right, now I can't tell you what this equals right now because the denominators are different. So I can't say like 1/2 fourth. You can't say like 1/4 half, right? So what I need to do is I need to find a common denominator or the same denominator or the same sized pieces, all right? So as you can see right here with their mustache of justice amazingness, they cut 1/2 into 2 pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a snowman. What I mean by that is we're going to put parentheses on top of each other so we can, it's basically a blank fraction of parentheses. If you want, you can keep the line going out, but it's a snowman. All right, and then we're going to think about what number will turn our denominator with multiplication into 4. All right, so what times 2 equals 4? And we decided 2. All right, so now let's kind of simplify this. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So now I have 2/4 plus 1/4. Now, if you look to your left, that's exactly what we're looking at here. We just took 1/2 and we turned it into 2/4. Of course, the reason it's 2/4 is 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4. Remember, we are not adding our denominators. We only add our numerator. Numerator top number, denominator is the number at the bottom. Denominator goes to the bottom. All right, and then let's finally answer this. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and then we keep our denominator the same. So there we go. 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4, and that's what we're looking at in our picture if we add that other fourth from right there. Let's see if that's what happens. Nope, they didn't do that. Okay, so if we take this fourth and we scoot it down here, boop, just pretend like I colored it. I don't have the time. Then what we're looking at is all together we have 3/4. And that's our answer down there. So this is the, over here, this is the numerical way to do this problem. And then what we're looking at with the Cuisenaire rods is a picture of the same thing. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, 1/4 of a brown rod plus 7/8 of a brown rod equals blank brown rods. All right, once again, basically what we're doing here is 1/4 plus 7/8. All right, so 1/4 plus 7/8. What we're gonna do is we're gonna build a snowman on the fraction that needs to change. So can we change 4 into an 8 with multiplication or 8 into 4 with multiplication? We can change 4 into 8 using multiplication. So let's think, what can we put, or what can we multiply by 4 to equal 8? What times 4 equals 8? How many groups of 4 equal 8? 2. So whatever goes on the bottom has to go on the top. So when we rearrange this, this turns into 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2/8 plus 7/8, which would give us, 9/8, an improper fraction, which is an imposter. So we'll come back and look at the picture of that and then take a look at 9/8. Ew.